Today's the day no one under 18 has looked forward to. Summer is technically over. Today brings with it school, homework, and all the other things kids haven't had to worry about the last few months. To help smooth the transition, the Osan Youth Center sponsored an end-of-summer pool party. About 30 kids took part in the Friday night shindig, using the event to release all that pent-up stress they'll be facing in the coming school year. And let go they did. For instance, this person going off the diving board is contemplating what to tell the class when asked what he did for the summer. And what better way to relieve the tension of meeting new friends than hitting the diving board with everything you've got? No doubt, these kids partied hard. The Youth Center provided the right atmosphere to help these kids out, bringing the right blend of music to appease everyone, while at the same time catering to the hearty appetites being worked up. Yeah, the end-of-summer pool party was a stroke of genius on MWR's part, and they pulled it off without a hitch. These kids had a good time, they released a little pressure, and can now get ready for school, knowing they've put the summer and everything that goes with it behind them. From Osan, I'm Air Force Sergeant J.D. Harrington.